hear what you are saying.
Yes.
But you know, when it comes to the dispensation of justice, it is not important. It's not only important for justice to be done, but justice must also be seen to be done. And given the fact of the office in question, the stakes are extremely very high. And when you tell us, for instance, that there is that possibility that you can recuse yourself, and given that the number is only 7, and you know there are many things that happen in life, people fall sick, etc., etc. So if now we are saying we are going to take you, and then you've given us that undertaking that in the event that there is an objection to your hearing an election petition, presidential election petition, there is that possibility that you can recuse yourself. So what does that mean? That then, do we really even need to hire a 7th judge for the court? If we have the option of a recusal, right from the word go.
Can I proceed?
Pardon?
I can answer now.
Yes, please.
Okay. So, recusal is probably the bottom in the list, my lady. I would insist that I should be taken for what I say and what I have represented, being objective. My relationship with His Excellency is not such that I always said yes to everything he wanted or he wished for. And so it has never taken my objectivity away. But I understand your question to be more of the perception of third parties. So again, I want to say that the front line is to say that I should be taken for what I represent, that I intend to be objective and fair, and that issue of recusal should be the last option. And even as I'm being put to task to answer that, I also want to insist that please take on board also the unfairness of the question and the unfairness of the concern just because of the person that I represented, a criteria that is not applied to other candidates.
All right. We just thought that it was important to bring to your attention what a section of the Kenyans are saying about your candidature.